Hey
Hey
guys,
guys,
we
we
are
are
back again with
back.
another video, and this is
Let's go.
exclusively from Indonesian Idol, and it is Piche Kota Terindan Kerindan Terinda. Keningan Terinda.
Kerenga spectacular
Yes.
show 7.
Let's go with the video.
Ooh.
And this is, for your information, is from TikTok, so yes. Ooh, amazing.
Oh my
Already starting
God.
out very,
Yeah.
very vocal about
Yeah.
it. Can you turn down the
It's
volume a
okay.
little?
It's okay.
Oh wow.
Ooh.
Wow. Oh
Wow.
wow. Wow. Very
This is
nice.
so good.
His vocal is subtle, sweet, and soft. It's
Yeah.
very nice to see.
Guys, to see.
Wow.
This is so
Wow. Oh my god. Why there is a background that looks like hacker background? I
good.
don't
Yeah,
know.
I
No,
don't know.
it
Yeah, it's more
does.
like that.
You know, those
It's
hacking
more,
movies used to
and
have this
also
kind
it's
of
more like
interfaces.
Matrix kind of.
Yeah, Matrix kind of interfaces are
Interfaces.
used in hacking kind of
Yeah.
movies, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Same.
Why it is used in this
I
one?
don't
Because
know.
I think this song is kind of like a very nice, subtle kind of
Yeah.
love song, maybe?
Yeah, it's
Yeah?
a love song.
Wow. The vocal is really nice.
Yeah.
I really
I
love
have
it.
to appreciate him
Yes,
for that.
yes.
He's a good.
And he literally looks like a Indian one.
Yeah.
No?
He looks like Indian guy.
Yeah.
Guys, we are from India actually.
Yeah, so that's why we are just finding Indian in every country. Oh my goodness, wow. Wow.
This is cool.
This is really nice. Still not understanding why the hacker kind of
I don't
like
know.
why
but
the Matrix.
The song is so good.
Yeah, the song is really amazing. But still, why the like the Matrix interface is being used?
I don't know.
What is happening with the DOP? DOP?
Oh my
It's
god.
like he's kind of holding his vocal.
Yeah.
Like he's not getting to that tone
Yeah.
that he can achieve. Everyone knows he can achieve that
Yeah,
tone,
I know.
but he's kind of holding back a lot. I guess maybe it could have been a lot better if he just let it go and just go
Yeah.
with the flow, because he can do it. It's in his vocal. His vocal is really textured. It's nice. When if he reach the actual high pitch,
Actual
he
high
can.
pitch he can.
It would have been a lot better to
Lot easier also.
no, maybe not easier, but a
But-
lot better to listen to.
Yeah.
I guess, but it's good as well.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. This is cool.
Yeah, this is really nice. Still, I feel like he can
Do much better.
Yeah, he can do a lot. He can reach a lot higher notes.
Yeah.
No.
Ooh.
Like the Indian Idol is just. Hey, sorry.
Indonesian
What?
Idol.
I'm sorry. The Indonesian Idol just starting out.
Yeah.
It's just the audition stages, right?
No, it's a performance. Actually, they started out in February.
Okay,
We
okay.
are
So
late
this is
right now.
yeah.
It's
Okay.
Because those shows are not in YouTube. We have to
Yeah.
watch through TikTok.
Yeah.
So I use the TikTok to download all these footages.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to do, man.
It's because you guys already know TikTok is
No,
banned in
banned
India.
in India.
It's just banned. I don't know why. I don't know what was the reason, but it is.
It is.
Apparently. So yeah. Like in India, a lot of things are banned, but I cannot say that loud in the camera.
It's okay. Let's play.
Wow. Wow.
That's
It's a whole
fabulous.
performance, man. I love the music. I'm falling in love with the music. Honestly,
Yeah,
it's
it's
really
live
good.
performance,
Yeah,
live DJing.
yeah, yeah,
It's more
yeah,
like mix and mastering live.
yeah.
That's art. Ooh, what?
Oh, he can go a lot.
Na 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 na. Oh my
in this
god.
in this in
He,
this
he's
he
doing the
reached that note.
potential.
He reached that kind of note, but
Yeah.
maybe he could have done that while he was singing those higher notes,
Yeah.
because it would have sounded much more better, you know.
I know.
Wow. Wow. Ooh.
Oh, everyone is grooving.
Yeah,
Look at
song
the
is
judges.
nice.
They are enjoying that performance, man.
Ooh.
So
Oh,
good.
nice, nice, nice.
Woo!
Ooh.
Oh, that's really good.
Ooh, yeah, it's really, really nice. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh wow, really nice.
Ooh.
Okay, very good.
What a
Very, very good.
performance, guys.
Very,
What a
very good.
performance.
Yeah. As I have already said, he could have
Yeah.
reached those high notes very nicely
Yeah.
if he used his own, like, I guess.
Yeah.
But it's okay. It was also really nice, and he reached at one point. He reached.
Yeah, he reached that
And
point
I wanted
he
this for
just
the whole
killed it.
song. He killed it. He really nicely done it.
Yeah.
And I think he could have used that tone in the whole song. It
Yeah.
would have been a lot more, you know,
What?
lot
Little
more
t-
good to listen to.
Yeah.
You know, yeah,
It's
that's
really
all.
nice.
But otherwise, the song was really, really amazing. Like
Love
this,
it, man.
seriously, man.
What
Thank
a
you so much,
performance.
guys. If you're still watching, do like, do share, and also do subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos on the channel. Until then, bye bye.